anchoring and how it affects us as traders?
Again, it's one of those aspects, and obviously you're using a behavioural finance term here, it's one of those aspects which can derail you. It's useful to have some consciousness as to what you're doing. So, for example, when a stock's moved, or stock's a good example, so a stock might be trading nominally at, say, 150 for many, many months, and it moves up suddenly to 180, and you get nervous because you're not familiar with it up here. You've anchored your expectations of that trade, of that stock, to 150, and you think it should go back down there again. So your tendency is to sell, and it can blind you to actually what's happening. Whereas actually the trade maybe always should have been valued at closer to 200, and actually maybe it's still a buy, but it stops you buying it. So anchoring is a problem. I think with all these things, consciousness of these biases is useful, bringing them to your attention. Which again, mindfulness can be helpful, because mindfulness is that ability sometimes to step back and say, hold on, what I'm doing here is I'm falling to this bias. And that's why if I go back earlier on and we talked about confirmation bias, and trying to find disconfirming evidence can be really powerful, because it can check those biases such as anchoring, but also obviously it checks confirmation bias as well.